Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the device visible to Flutter. Enable developer mode and USB debugging on Android, or enable network debugging and pair the iPhone with Xcode. Once done, make sure Flutter Doctor shows no blocking issues and that platform tools are installed. Connect the phone via USB or same Wi-Fi for pairing. You should see the device listed with Flutter devices. If not, stop and resolve driver or trust prompts before moving on. Next, you attach the app to that listed device. Run Flutter devices to confirm the ID, then run Flutter Run or pick the device in Android Studio or VS Code. For Android, accept the USB authorization and use Gradlu if needed. For iOS, open the project in Xcode, select your development team, and enable automatic signing so the phone is trusted. Once connected, Hot Reload and Hot Restart become available. Use them to iterate quickly while observing logs with Flutter Run. Finish by running your app and using Hot Reload to validate UI changes. Use Hot Restart if state resets are required. Make sure to monitor the console output for runtime errors and address permission or signing issues immediately. If the device disappears, replug the USB, run a DB kill server and a DB start server, or reboot the phone. For iOS, rerun the pairing in Xcode and retrust the developer certificate. This single-path approach
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.